the easiest way to remove watermarks from your windshield. Would you like to know the secret? Check this out. FLUX BEYOND is a water spot remover or water spot killer with very high cleaning aggressiveness to remove water spot stains on the body of your vehicle. BEYOND is the best water spot remover formula currently available in the market. BEYOND does not contain dangerous acids that can damage paint components and the human's hand. Guaranteed. FLUX BEYOND is able to clean up even the most difficult and heavy water scale stains. It is a basic requirement for all auto detailing professionals to carry out the very difficult process of cleaning water mold stains, without having to always use harsh chemical acids, which of course pose a high risk to vehicle paint and the health of the user. It is certain and guaranteed that you will get a lot of convenience and experience the best effectiveness for the results of improving even the worst cases of water spots. Why should you use FLUX BEYOND to complete your needs? First, it is highly aggressive water spot killer with just a few swipes. Second, it is best for vehicles' glasses and painted bodies. Third, it leaves a very thorough clean result and cling effect. Does not cause smearing, hazing, foggy, and streak after application. Fourth, it becomes the best application for carrying out maintenance and cleaning processes on the nano-ceramic coating that has been applied. It will not damage the coating and it is safe to use without any risks. Lastly, it is economical to use. You only need 10 milliliters to clean the water spot effect on a full car. For best results, it is recommended that you use a cloth or soft cloth as the applicator. As long as the cloth is still wet, the chemical will continue to work optimally.
For more information, contact our admin.
Hurry, visit Premio Malaysia for more info.